हेलो गाइस, एज यू कैन सी माई स्क्रीन, हाल ही में मैंने PW स्किल्स कोर्स लिया है. एज यू कैन सी आई हैव कंप्लीटेड थ्रू अप टू लिस्ट तक मैंने कंप्लीट किया है, यानी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स, लिस्ट, टपल, एवरीथिंग. सो हम यहाँ तक पढ़ रहे हैं. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू एक्स्ट्रा फ्रॉम आवर साइड इन ऑर्डर टू लैंड ए गुड जॉब इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू गो टू ChatGPT एंड पेस्ट दिस प्रॉम्प्ट. पेस्ट करने के बाद हमको यहाँ कुछ ChatGPT ने एक प्रोजेक्ट फीडबैक, कस्टमर फीडबैक एनालिसिस दिया है. एंड व्हाट यू, हे ChatGPT, आई हैव डन विथ लूप्स, कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट्स, कंट्रोल्स, लिस्ट, tuple, strings, data types and all. Give me a small project as you need to consider it for data analytics. Give me small and simple project. Upon this I want to check my knowledge and I'm aspiring to master data analytics. So ये prompt हमने ChatGPT को दिया है and ChatGPT हमको एक project namely customer feedback analysis. So how we can implement these project and how we can apply our base knowledge that we have learned about data structures in order to implement these projects successfully. Let's. So first of all, I'll go to VS Code. Okay, open a new file. And name that file as customer feedback analysis. Okay, dot. What the extension of our, as my यहाँ पे Jupyter notebook use कर रही हूँ. So the extension is IPYNB. एंटर, हिट द एंटर आइकन. आपने जहाँ पर भी आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स स्टोर किया है, जस्ट मेक द हिट बटन, क्लिक फाइल. एज यू कैन सी आवर कोड एंड एवरीथिंग हैज़ बीन अप टू. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आफ्टर यहाँ पर आप एक प्लेन विदाउट एनी कोड देख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट द कर्नल. वैसे मैं एक स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट जुपिटर नोटबुक दे देती हूँ. जुपिटर नोटबुक विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एग्जीक्यूटिंग आवर Python code instructions. Jupyter Notebook has its own kernel. It acts as one more thing, that Jupyter Notebook also has its own server also. So let's take select kernel, Python environments, and I'll select already in order to run Jupyter Notebook, what you need to have, either you need to have your Python installed version or you can use your Anaconda in order to run the code of Python. So I'll select Python. First of all, हमें as a data analytics, all the things must be sorted and organized manner. For that, take Markdown. And what you need to copy the prompt. So we already have the prompt. Project overview. What you need to do, like हमें एक customer feedback analysis create करना. So paste it with your Markdown content. वैसे Markdown uses, what is meant by Markdown? There are two options: code plus Markdown. What if you select the Markdown, then it will add comments. It will won't execute any code among that. So you can see we have an overview of our project. So first of all, let us start implementing our project. वहाँ पे here ChatGPT has given some of the things that I can copy, Control C. What you need to do here is create a variable. You can use var or you can use feedback underscore comments is equals to, and press Ctrl. Hit this button. Yeah. यहाँ पे इसलिए can you see I'm still under markup, so that's why here as you can hit code you will get execute cell. So sorry, it's my bad. Control me. As you can see, if you want to execute it, you can absolutely do it. So, and for that, Python also gives us some of the code. Like first of all, feedback हम किसको देते हैं? Customers को ना. Customers feedback हमें देते हैं. So positive keywords and negative keywords, ये हमारा, this is at the developer end. These are the feedbacks, and this is the feedback comments that I got from customer, and these are the positive keywords and negative keywords. So what you need to do here is, all you need to implement the code from now. First of all, what I'll do is I'll create positive underscore comments. हम initialization to 0 दे देते हैं. Negative underscore comments is equals to 0. Positive comments, negative comments हमने 0 दे दिया है. And for what word in feedback comment, हम एक what the word is here, it will take 1. That means here it is 0, 1, 2, like that. It will take for what means totally the product is amazing. It will take whole this thing, and from forward in feedback comment, what we need to do, we need to check whether our positive keywords will match with the feedback comments. इसलिए हम क्या देते हैं? for what you can say unit, we'll say unit in word. For unit in word, अगरचे unit in word है. So here we will give some of the list comprehensions, like if any अगर है तो मुझे क्या चाहिए. So then what I want, if unit in word. So guys, what you need to do here is we are implementing our list comprehension method applying. For what we are taking, for I in positive keywords, अगर if I take I, what is mean by I? Anything amazing. I'm taking first amazing in positive keywords. अगर चाहिए I in word, जो word हम extract कर रहे थे photos से, अगर चाहिए true हुआ तो what will do? We can say that classification is equals to positive, and we can say that as the classification is positive, we can increase positive comment is equals to, or we can say is equal assignment operator who is possible. Similarly, and one more thing, positive negative, one more thing that we can have some of the comments like हम थोड़े positive keywords हम, as you know, positive and negative keywords are written by the developer and feedback is given by the customer. So as we cannot able to align every positive keywords with customer keywords, so हमें एक neutral comments का भी option होना चाहिए. So we'll copy this statement for our negative control D. इस बार हम elif यूज़ करेंगे. इस बार यहाँ पे नेगेटिव कीवर्ड्स, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव, you can take negative and this you can replace it with negative comments. Now it's okay. Then after you can take at last our else option. else में क्या हो जाएगा, जो हम न्यूट्रल का केस था ना वो इसमें आएगा, एंड न्यूट्रल कमेंट्स इज इक्वल्स टू नो इट्स फाइन. एंड वन मोर थिंग, एक बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस होता है कि हम वर्ड काउंट पहचानें. इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड द वर्ड काउंट, हैश वर्ड काउंट, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज फॉर तो हम यहाँ पे वर्ड काउंट के लिए वर्ड्स इज इक्वल्स टू वर्ड डॉट स्प्लिट, यानी एक वर्ड इन दिस द प्रोडक्ट इज अमेजिंग. ये दिस स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट दिस स्टेटमेंट डज इज वर्ड्स विल स्टोर इन द, दे विल स्प्लिट in the basis of spaces format. The product is amazing, like that it will split. And after that what we need to do is we need to find the average of word length. In order to do so, what we need to do is average is nothing but sum of, okay, for I in words, okay, what I need to do, I need to find the length of I by length of, you can take words, understood? Yeah, these will split into 4 parts divided by 4, and this will give you एक part, the THE, PRODUCT, everything it will give you. Then after that what you need to do, finally printing, what you need to print, first of all you need to print comment. What the comment is, comment, हमारा वर्ड एक कमेंट है. नेक्स्ट प्रिंट ऑफ वो विच टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन इट इज, what kind of classification it is. It is either it may be positive comment, negative comment. So classification based on classification. Print of, what you need to print here is average word, whether it may be, so here you need to print either it may be positive or negative. So word length average, word length, comma. First of all, before this, using F string, F, as you are using formatting operator, what you need to pass here is average word length. So we'll come out of our for loop, and what we'll do is we'll find total comments is equals to length of feedback comments. Okay, we need to find the length, and after that what we need to print all these positive comments, negative comments, neutral comments upon following, going through all for loop. First print top, what you need to print positive comment, number of positive comments. I'm always forgetting to use the F string, sorry guys for that. Positive comment, okay, I can copy, print, you can take it as negative, please remove this, okay, negative comments, and we need to have negative comments. After that what you need to print is number of neutral comments, number of neutral comments. In order to print neutral comments, we need to use neutral comments. Okay, after that, what you need to print? Everything is completed. And finally, we need to print total comments as well. Print of total comments from customer, you can say, comma. Again, I have forgotten F string total comments. You can use total comment. Okay, guys, let us is our code. This is the final code. Like once go through, there is a good practice that after writing the code, please go through once whether there is any like you have forgotten anything. Here we can use there is a word to lawyer. I can make it as lawyer. I want to make it as lawyer because so that it can follow. Let us execute that. I've got an error. Negative. Okay, we have repeated twice. See here. Okay. See, this is our final. This is our final output. You can see coming. The product is amazing. It is positive comments. Average word length is 5.0. So 5.0 and 3.8, 5.2. Negative classification, negative 3.66. See, there are many. So what we can do is, I can make it as 0.2f. Okay, right. So this is the output. So number of positive comments are 3, number of negative comments are 2. Upon 5 total comments, we got positive comments as 3 and negative comments as 2 and neutral comments as 0. If you want the percentage of the comments, like how many positive comments we have got, how many negative comments, so we can do print of what you need to print, percentage of positive comments. You can add as much as you want. What I need to add here is f string. No need to add f string. What I need to add here is total comments divided by positive, total positive comments. Upon doing this, I need to have 100. I need to multiply it with 100. So let me just execute it. See, you can see 166%. Why I got 166? Why I got 166 here? Because see, here while I need to divide it with total comments. Now you will get here as 66. We got percentage 60 and I can copy and see percentage of negative comments and I can use here it as negative. Okay, although we'll get 0 only for neutral comments, but as we are going to complete our project, we need to have these kind of things also. Okay, what for neutral comments? Here you need to have neutral. See, you can see 60% as positive comments, negative comments are 40%, percentage of neutral comments 0.0. Okay guys, this is the final video that I have made with just basic knowledge of data structures, that is tuple, etc., tuples, list, and loops, conditional statements. You can also do the same. Okay guys, bye. Thank you.